Hey, it's Brenda with Luke's, back with the 12 Days of Stocking Stuffers. I have kind of a different one for you today. In the computer software that complements our embroidery machines, there's a card maker module. So let me show you this. I'm going to take this off the hoop. Okay, so what I've done is I've stitched out a greeting card on cardstock. Now this will fold back, so this will be the front of the card. And what I did was I took my cardstock and I used the sticky stabilizer. You know I'm a fan. So a couple things on that. When I call up the design, and I'm using the Epic, I see this first color block, and in fact I'm going to turn the other colors off. There's a white outline here. So what I do is I don't actually stitch that first color block. I do it without thread. I use the needle so it becomes a marking square on where to lay my cardstock, okay? Which is great. So there's no stitching around here because I don't want those holes in it. So then I lay my cardstock down and I'm going to stitch this just like you would any other embroidery design. Use the needle you have in your machine. Don't use a special one because when you're going through paper, just like your scissors, right, your needle, you're probably gonna change your needle after you do your cards, all right? So as you can see, it stitches kind of fun. Different colors, different designs, and I think that becomes part of the gift itself when you make a beautiful embroidered card with your embroidery machine. So till next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.